There's been festivities all week, but this is truly the biggest homecoming festivity. We have a really exciting night planned for you guys. We have 8 performers who have been chosen through preliminary auditions, and they will compete tonight for the judges and your votes.
Before we get started, I just want everybody in the audience, if you could just, while you're listening, think about what it was like to be completely and totally in love. Not in a cliche way, I don't want to sound weird or anything, but today is kind of a special day for me and my beautiful, wonderful girlfriend, Brienne. This is for you. Happy 4-year anniversary. How can I tell you what's on my mind when all the words that I could use, they don't compare to you? You're a swimming pool on an August day, and you're the perfect thing to say. And you play a coin, and it's kind of cute. Oh, when you smile at me, you know exactly what you do. Baby, don't pretend that you don't know it's true, 'cause you can see it when I look at you. And in this crazy life,
Russian roulette is not the same without a gun. And baby, when it's love, if it ain't rough, it isn't fun. I'll get him high and show him what I've got.
But you don't leave me with a choice this time. Why weren't you true? 'Cause you know I
need to come back again. It's my turn to push you out the door.
tired of being alone, so hurry up and get here. So tired of being alone, so hurry up and get here, get here.
All right, let's see who our first place winner is. Drum roll, please. Fundamentally
Yo, P, you ready? Just rock and roll. Push play. Yo, nod to me up. I think we got another one. Here we go.
Tell me, what do you see when you're looking at me? Whoa, 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 I'm wishing to be what I'm destined to be. Whoa, whoa, yeah, I've been through the pain and the sorrow, the struggle, it's nothing but love, nothing but love. I'm a soldier, a rider, a getter, a survivor, and all the above, hey, all the above, all the above, all the above.
Appreciate it, thank you.
That was very complicated, and you did it with such depth. I found myself really struggling where to look and where to listen because I wanted to capture it all. I loved how animated you were. I loved the energy that you brought, and it really did feel like it was a total group effort, and that those who were supporting those who were at the front mic, so you did a great job with a very complicated piece. Thank you.
Like calling John the name. How the hell could you stop me? Why the world would you try? I go hard forever. This is how I'm designed. This is how I was built. See the look
awesome.
Thank you.
That is very hard to do, okay? And it's so well integrated, and there's so much going on. Vocally, I'm talking about complexity, woo! And the fact you guys can stay tuned, whoa, and do that long, and all the different types of, actual vocal singing that is going on from this one piece. And then I liked the energy all the time, the movement, the expression was there all the time. It was just awesome. Thank you very much.
It's easy to hate, it's harder to love me. Y'all don't understand, y'all are quick to judge me. Put your foot in my life, picture you living my life. Picture you stuck in a cell, picture you wasting your life. Picture you facing a job, picture you picking the eye. Picture you wearing the bleed, picture you wearing a scar. Thank you for making me stronger, thank you for making me
Yeah, that's the thing that I think impressed me was that as you passed it around, it didn't seem to be any fall off. It was truly a great group effort. And I didn't understand a word the big guy sang.